Guys, welcome back to my gaming channel. My gaming channel's name, Two Vine Twins Gaming. So we're in the garage right now. So make sure this is wow. Hit the white button. And leave a comment to you guys to do here. Bye and enjoy. Starting with that door into the this door. Alright, let's do this. Next. Alright, close the bay, right door first. Pretend I did that. Alright. Okay, let's order it. Alright. We'll be closing, we'll be heading in to do that thing level for Alright, storm of the light door. Oh my goodness. Be in a line in here. Oh my. Really? Let me try that again. Oh, wrong door. My goodness, that always clicked the wrong garage door. We got two garage doors at 710 and quarterbacks. Alright, now we'll shut that garage door. Now we can open it. Okay. Next door. Alright. Getting good door, okay. That was good, okay. We're resetting that order first. Alright. Then we shut, open that door. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Let me see. Alright, we'll be heading to the next garage right now. Garage number 2 is Master and Chimarin. So, we are heading to be opening Chimarin third. I'm with Master first. So let's do this. Oh, I'll get the rock. Wow! What in the world again? Okay, we said the master. Open the Chimarin. And now. Hold on a second. It moved the car on the way plus. So, you're gonna start with Chimarin, because I'm gonna move the car on the way, go insert test. Oh my god, it didn't work. Are you kidding me? They don't have the fixers in this garage door, no. Alright, let's try that again. Well, it is time. Alright, some with my master. Let me check the feed. 8 minutes, we got 15 minutes until we got it in there and I'm gonna flip her tongue. This shit. Ready? Go with my master. Okay, 10 times fine. Alright. Well shot. So Chimarin. And we'll master after that. Thank you for turning off the light. Alright. We'll be doing plug offs in here. Well, are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. This goes to me, Yobi. Alrighty. Don't move. Real. Alright. Let me open the one on this. Oh my goodness. While we're shutting the Chimarin on that door. Not the Chimarin. Alright. It did close up to me that way. And starting with the master. Are you serious? Alright. It did work. Now we're gonna get the car on the way. Out our way. We'll let somebody drive it. Okay. Excuse me. What are you doing? Somebody missing our team on your school. So got it. I'm sorry. Now after that didn't move on that shouldn't to end of the league. Okay. Shutting that door, that ship. What in the move? Move out our way. Alright, let's see. Alright, moving on to the next shed. I can't talk. So we'll be headed in part 2 of doing your off store, so make sure to say why for part 2.